Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 16th to August the 19th reading. No? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the ding notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, simulan na natin. Aquarius, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sabi ng universe sa atin, kunin mo na uli yung power mo. No? Take your crown back, take your throne back, no? Kasi parang naging submissive tayo sa person natin. Kumbaga, inalaw din naman natin, no? Itong si person ang magpatakbo, no? Ng isip natin, ng buhay natin. I think that the universe is telling me to move forward. Take it and move forward. Or just take it, sit back for a while, no? You actually need to parang magnilay-nilay, i-check itong mga nangyayari sa paligid kasi parang nakikita natin sugod lang tayo ng sugod. Parang meron tayong mga pinaglalaban sa buhay na unplanned, no? Siguro kailangan din natin maupo. Hindi lang basta naisip natin gagawin natin. Hindi lang dahil basta na feel natin gagawin natin. Planning also is needed for you to either regain the power back or have a power. At least, the power of voicing out, no? With the 10 of Swords and the 4 of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko dito, medyo itigil na nga natin itong pagiging martir, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, pagod ka na rin. Pagod na rin itong puso natin, pagod na rin yung katawan natin, pagod na rin yung isip natin. I think that this is a time for you to focus on yourself. No, maybe not to the person as of the moment because I feel like kitang-kita mo naman. No? Sabi nga ni Miss Annabelle Rapa, hindi ko na kailangan i-explain pa, kitang-kita niyo naman. No, kitang-kita mo rin naman na somewhat we are actually taken for granted. Hindi tayo nabibigyan ng importance, no? The Chariot, the Death card, the Page of Wands, and the King of Cups. I think it's much better for you to actually do something rather than say something, no? Kung meron man tayong mga sinasabi, hindi na yun napapakinggan eh. The action itself, no? You can use the action. Silence can be, no? Silence actually is a form also of a communication, and silence is also enough for the other person to know that I'm done, it's enough, no? Or try to step back a bit, move back a bit. If you want to put the connection or fix the connection per se, no, you need to slow down. Kasi meron tayong mga pinaglalaban, meron tayong gustong mangyari. Parang we are forcing to do or to experience something which actually instead of mangyari ito, instead of ma-pull natin, no, itong manifestations, we're actually prolonging the agony of waiting. The Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm seeing that you're working on it. The Page of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Fool card. For a few numbers of you, probably you might be thinking of, when is my person going to have the maturity of probably thinking about the connection to move forward into another level of commitment. Pero you're trying to input a lot of things wherein the person's just hearing you and not understanding it. There's a difference of there's a difference between hearing and listening, 'di ba? So, yeah, I can probably hear you pero lumalabas sa kabila, no? I am listening is, yeah, I am dissecting everything that you are saying, 'di ba? Um, and I feel like, bakit hindi mo minsan naiisip, 'di ba? Or yung baka na notice mo na din, no? Kapag meron tayong request or meron tayong mga gustong mangyari, oo lang siya ng oo. Tapos hindi naman natutupad. Tapos tatanong mo, bakit? Sinabi ko, lagi niya sasabihin, hindi ko naalala or nakalimutan or wala kang sinabi. Kasi they're not listening. No? The emperor and the high priestess. Um, I think that the emperor in here is much more of a prideful thing. So the high priestess takes over. You need to equalize everything. If we're not talking about age gap, no, we might be talking about the maturity of the person. Um, I think that somewhat, no, the relationship needs to take a break. Um, Sabihin pause or ang tawag dito, yung cool off. Now, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, you might be fighting a battle and you're just fighting. Know thy goals, no? Hindi lahat ng battle is kailangan sugod ng sugod. There are also battles that requires silence. There are also battles na kasi mapapagod ka lang, no? So parang reserve your energy to the much greater battle, diba? Um, So the bottom line in here, Aquarius, is to step back a bit, no? Medyo umatras tayo at huwag tayong yung sugod lang ng sugod, no? Uh, we were always meant to meet and it was written in the stars, our love is eternal. So this is a promise. Now if you step back a bit, things will fall into their own places and sooner or later makikita mo aayos at babalik itong inaasam-asam mong relationship, no? Aquarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Um, Cancer, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces. Um, did I just say Sagittarius, right? Ayan, so Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, right? So this is your reading. Aquarius, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. Nandun po siya sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Yan. Kilalang kilala niyo po yung sarili niyo, Aquarius, no? Kung feeling niyo yung yes or no, mabibitin lang kayo at hindi kayo masasatisfy, dumiretso na kayo dun sa question form. Nasa description box po yan, no? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Na dun po yung question form, yun po agad ang unang bubungad sa inyo. Inedit ko na, no, yung website. So, sa baba po no, nandun po yung amount per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So Aquarius, if you want to win a private reading, so all you have to do is to report those fake accounts, take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email. No? And kung hinahanap nyo dito yung X-Files, ito po yung mga readings natin about exes. And if you still care about your ex, nasa Facebook po siya. The Facebook account is Babaylan TV. So Aquarius, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po. No? sa susunod na reading or susunod na live. Goodbye!